Mother's Day is on Sunday, and with the stay-at-home order, you might not be able to be with your mom, but there are things you can do to let her know that you're thinking about her. Lifestyle expert Nicole Pearl joining us with some gift ideas for each specific mom. Hi, Nicole. How you doing?
Thanks for having me. I'm great, and I'm so excited to celebrate Mom. She deserves it more than ever, and I have so many good gift ideas. The first is for the new mom. This is from Eileen West, and this is the organic cotton mom and baby kit set. It comes with a nursing gown for mom, a coordinating onesie and hat and blanket for baby. So it's a really good way to celebrate the newborns if you can't see them in person. And right now, if you order and use the code EWChicago, you will get this gift in time for Mother's Day. The next gift is for the beauty lover, and this is Pause While Aging Skincare, which is a beautiful line that is focused on women going through menopause. I also love that they have this fascia stimulating tool because beauty tools are so important right now and they're all the rage. So this is a great gift. What Pause While Aging is doing is a Share the Love campaign. So if you buy anything online, they will duplicate that order. You can choose who you want to send it to, and it will be gifted for free. So that's a great way to tell somebody you love them. The next is for the mom who's the foodie. This is from the Fruit Guys. It's so hard right now to find organic fruits and veggies that you can get delivered at home. And the Fruit Guys are allowing you to choose from different boxes. There's fruits, veggies, snacks, and they will deliver to your home. It takes one task off mom's to-do list, and they are giving you 15% off with the code FRUITFAN. Now for the creative mom, this is the Walk Home One creative pen display. And I love this because moms are also doing e-learning. So this will allow you to help with math and science. It has this nice sensitive pen technology. And then when you want to explore a creative outlet, mom can get away. She can do some drawing. She can do some photography. And it's a really great way to explore your creative side. The next thing is from Carrie Loha. This is made out of eco-friendly bamboo. Their products are twice as soft as cotton. So this weighted blanket, if she wants some pampering, this will take away the stress. She'll fall asleep faster. This bedding is so luxurious. One less load of laundry to do for mom. They also have pajamas. They're offering 20% off today only with the code Chicago20. Now for the fashionista, I love these bags from Parker Clay. They are leather made in Ethiopia. So their idea is that they want to give women in Ethiopia opportunity, and that's what they're doing. They have so many great options. This could double as a diaper bag. They have totes, and they're doing 25% off parkerclay.com with the code Mom's Day. And then we can't forget the fitness lover. I love to support local, and Salt Fitness is a local studio. They have transitioned all of their studios into an online platform. So you can gift mom a wonderful way to save her sanity, stay in shape. And so they have packages. You could do online recorded classes or even live Zoom classes. With the code BEAUTYGIRL, you'll get 25% off, and the recorded classes are as low as $15 a month. So there's really something to gift mom, no matter what type of mom she is, but to just give her that moment of luxury, relaxation, focusing on herself, and just to feel good during this time.
Great product ideas, and I love that you have discounts for people as well. I'm curious, how much is that weighted blanket? It looks so nice.
The weighted blanket's around $240. And this really is going to be something that you can use forever. It's so soft and luxurious. It has a zipper, so it's super easy to wash. And I just think it has pressure points in here, so it really is going to help you sleep better.
Very, very nice. And if people would like to get more information, they can always go to Nicole Pearl Beauty Girl on your Instagram, and then beautygirl.com. Is that right?
That's right, yes.
Okay, well, thanks for joining us.
On my Instagram, Nicole Pearl Beauty Girl.
Awesome. You have a great Mother's Day. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Okay.